Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to u square. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So why do I need to choose this one? Because I want to cancel the square root. That's why I need to select about u square in here. So this one I will put in here. Ds we change for this one. So this one you got about u. So u and u, we have u square in here. Number 2, I will put outside. So I need to add negative number 9. Later that, I will put back positive number 9. So u square minus number 9 divided by u square minus number 9. So we have number 1. So this one, number 9, that is about 3 square. So this is about identities. So we put this one into u minus number 3 multiplied by u plus number 3. So I will put number 9 go in here. So in this situation, I need to multiply by number 6 on numerator and denominator. So this one that is about 3 over 2. Number 6 that is about 3 plus number 3. So we need to add u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. Next, we can do about factorization by negative number 1. So this one divided by this one. So we have number 1. This one divided by this one, we have number 1. So now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of u minus number 3. And the last one, about u, that is about this one. So we have u equals to the square root of s. So because we put the square root for the both sides, that's why we have this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.